Hi mga Didis! Today, we're at Jokwan.
One of the OG Philchar restaurant that's been serving since 1986. And today, we're gonna be trying most of their dishes. And tara! So guys, medyo tago yung place. So yung mga pumupunta dito talagang sinasadya to. And while waiting for my food, umikot-ikot na rin ako.
So ayan guys, meron din silang mga frozen food.
Meron silang different kinds of dim sum like yung wonton, siomai at paborito ng lahat, Thai pao.
Kung ayaw nyo pumunta dito para kumain, lutuin nyo na lang sa bahay nyo.
Meron din pala silang free tea dito while waiting. And tara guys, let's eat.
Guys, ang laki ng siopaw dito.
One whole meal na kamo.
Grabe guys, mukhang maraming laman ah. Kuya, ano mga palaman nito? May bola-bola, slice asado, chorizo, at saka salted egg. Ang dami guys, sumaran.
Kaya pala hinahype ng mga tao.
Sobrang malaman guys, and yung flavor is good din. Very OG taste.
Tapos may kasama rin siyang sweet siopaw sauce.
Masarap.
Next naman is yung mga dim sum nila na may kasamang mga sauces na masasarap. Yung siomai nila, very feeling classic Filipino-Chinese taste. Best paired with their chili garlic and yung toyo mansi. Yung hakaw nila malaki rin.
Mga shrimp pieces.
Tapos yung kuchay dumpling naman nila talagang punong-puno ng kuchay. As for their Shanghai roll and yung Chinese kikiam nila, tara, crunch test natin. O ayan guys, sobrang crispy. At hindi siya greasy. Lasang nasa mo rin yung laman.
Ganda ng skin niya.
Very malasa yung meat nila for the Shanghai and the Chinese kikiam.
And these are best paired with their sweet chili sauce. For our rice meals naman, we got their pork chop na malaki-laki rin at may kasama siyang katsu
Sarap
sauce.
to.
And in fairness guys, this was pretty good. Pero itong chop suey talaga ang panalo for me.
Mga pork, red bell pepper, sayote, cabbage, tsaka onion, ayan. Chop suey, literal na chop suey.
For those gulay haters, ito na ang mag-change ng mind mo.
Hindi siya overly seasoned. Very comforting meal to. Tapos ayun guys, ito naman yung JK fried rice nila. Yang chow in a way.
Ito guys, dito ako pinaka nagulat given the price. As in sobrang daming sahog.
Yung generous nila dun sa Chinese sausage. Which what makes this dish really, really nice. Ang sarap guys. Seriously. Ayan. So alam mo na guys, yung mga taga-North Chan, hindi na kailangan pumunta ng hanggang Binondo. Meron namang Jokwan sa QC.
For the hot dishes naman, like their Lucky Mangkok.
So yung Lucky Mangkok nila, basically, it's everything dun sa noodle combination. So we have this beef tendon, chicken strips, asado strips, may mga wonton, and then of course, one boiled egg.
And in fairness guys, all the toppings were quite tender.
Guys, this is it. Everything you want. Ito yung beef noodles na merong iba't ibang klaseng toppings.
As for the soup naman, ito yung classic na sweet and savory type.
So good. Soup nila, kapag nakulangan ka, pwede ka mag-ask for refill, okay lang naman daw. And guys, syempre, walang Chinese restaurant na walang congee. Yung mga tito, bato, atay, and bola-bola. And merong itlog pa nga. And talagang mabubusog ka. Good for two. Kidney, bato. Hindi ko masyado trip ang kidney. Meron din naman silang mga pork congee with century egg, yung OG ba?
So yun lang guys. Overall, comfort Philchar food dito na malalaki ang mga serving. And when in QC,
Jokwan is the one.
hihi!